So in this video, I'm going to show you how to password protect a Google form. In this case, I'm going to have a form that has some confidential information or some questions I don't want others to be able to see, and it's going to be on another section. So right here, I'm going to add a question. I want to make sure, though, that this question is a text, so short answer text, and perhaps I label this as password. I want to make sure that this is required. I'm also going to click on these three little dots. I'm going to get response validation. Here, I have a choice of different options. I can either have a number or a text to make sure that this is exact. And I want to make sure that this part says contains, okay? So the text here, I'm going to say password. And this could be any password. If it's a dog's name, a saint, or whatever it is that you end up using, that's fine. It could even be numbers. Now, the error message would be this. You could have something like the password must be exact. And then what I want to do is I want to add the next section. Now, the next section would have the questions that are private. So these are the private questions. So if I had a form and I was, for instance, trying to collect student data, this might be an option. Now I can password protect it, and then I can start to answer some questions, and maybe even have like a drop-down field of students. So to give you an example of what that may look like, so right here's drop-down. I have student 1, student 2. And of course, we want to keep this for our eyes only, so that's the reason why we've password protected. Now, you have to understand that just because it's protected behind the simple password, it does not mean that it's unhackable. So please make sure that you do understand that you realize it. But this is, again, a simple option to be able to keep this information just for your own eyes. All right, so let's go to preview to see what this looks like. So when I click on preview, you're going to notice that it's asking for my password. And if I type in the password, even though I've typed it or spelled it out correctly, I need to make sure that it is exact or exactly as I've entered it originally. So in this case, it should be lowercase. So password, and now it lets me in. Now that I'm in, now what I can do is I can start to choose some of the private information that I wanted to keep away from others. All right, that's it.